Hey guys, welcome to a new Tuts Plus tutorial. I'm Adi Purdila, and today I'm going to introduce you to a service called 123ContactForm. This is a form and survey builder, and despite its name, which can be misleading at times, this service allows you to create a wide range of forms, not only contact forms. So you can create contact and lead forms, event registration forms, order forms, and these are just a few examples. They have dozens of pre-built ones you can use right away. Now, creating a form is really easy. Of course, you need to create an account first to get access to their application. But once you're in, you get the option to create a new form, to view existing ones, and also see some statistics and recent activity. So let's create a simple contact form and see how it goes. You start by giving it a name, and then you're in this visual builder that gives you a bunch of options, from adding fields to editing existing ones to changing layout options like label placement or form width. Below, you have a preview, and you can also open this in a modal window to see another preview, which is different from the one here. Not sure what that's all about, but I think the one in the page only shows the fields and not necessarily the final styling. Anyway, once you're done building your form, you move on to form settings, and there are a lot of them. From notifications to themes to third-party apps and a whole bunch of other things. Here, you can basically finish customizing the form to match your needs. After this, you need to publish it. And you have a ton of options here as well. You can use a form link, an embed code, a lightbox, or you can integrate it with Facebook, WordPress, and a few other popular platforms. So let's get the embed code, and I'm going to use CodePen here to illustrate how this works. You basically paste in the code and voila, you get the form. What's nice about this is the fact that you get some live demos on all of these publishing options, so you can pick the right one for you. Now go ahead and create an account. It's free, and play around with that visual builder yourselves. What I'm going to do next is walk you through some of the features that make 123ContactForm a pretty competent platform. The first thing is the diversity of forms, and it doesn't matter what kind of project you're working on, you have a pretty big chance of finding a form that you need. Then you also have the option to create surveys, quizzes, and polls. Pretty useful stuff. On top of this, you have analytics, so you can get really solid numbers when it comes to form submissions. And this can be really helpful when you're doing A/B testing or you're trying to find ways to optimize your forms for better conversion rates. Then there's third-party app integration and platform publishing. You can use the forms alongside popular applications and social platforms like WordPress, Google Drive, Dropbox, MailChimp, or Facebook. For example, on WordPress, you can create posts through form submissions. In MailChimp, you can import information into mailing lists, so there's a high degree of automation here. Now, a very important aspect of forms on the web is security. More specifically, form validation, and 123ContactForm offers a few options for this. First, you can use Captcha. You've seen it before. It's that ugly text displayed on a weird-looking background that you need to decipher. And its purpose is to only allow that form to be submitted by humans, by people. Here, you can choose between Smart, which only shows up in the event of an abuse, Daily, which changes Captcha code every 24 hours, and you can, of course, choose to show it all the time or to hide it altogether. On top of this, you can also choose to limit the number of submissions, either overall or from the same IP, reject submissions from certain countries, or use password protection. Then the cherry on the top is the Ssl encryption. Now, what this means is that the data that's being transmitted by your form to the server is being encoded or encrypted so that it's inaccessible to anyone who tries to get their hands on it. And that's about it for 123ContactForm. Now, obviously, I did not cover all the features here. You can go ahead and check them out on their website at 123ContactForm.com. What I did instead was I focused on the ones that I thought you should know right away. So, what's the bottom line here? Well, overall, it's a pretty good platform. You have tons of options for it. Lots of options in terms of customization. You can really tweak the appearance and functionality of your forms. What I don't necessarily like is the look of their default themes for the forms, but they can be modified through CSS, so I guess that's not such a big deal. Also, I think the pricing scheme they have, the pricing plan, is a bit overcomplicated. Some options are only available for gold users, while some are for platinum users, for example, payments. Now, I think a single premium user would have been better than gold plus platinum. It would have made things simpler, but maybe this works better for the company, who knows? This is just my opinion. And with that, I would like to conclude this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you thought this was interesting, make sure you check out the website at 123ContactForm.com and leave a comment down below. I'm Adi, thanks for watching again, I'll see you next time.